In today's video I'll show you how to fix Steam game not showing in the search results on your PC in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get into the method. To fix this, we'll add the shortcut to the Start menu folder, and then it should allow us to search for it or pin it to the Start menu itself. Open Steam and then find the game in your Steam library. Right-click on the game here, and hover over Manage. Then click on Add Desktop Shortcut. We'll use this shortcut to get it to show in the search results. Next, press the Windows key and the letter R key at the same time to open the Run box. In here, type in shell:/programs, and then select OK. This will open your Start menu folder, and you can drag and drop the desktop shortcut into the folder called Steam if you have one. If you don't see this, don't worry. You can either create a folder called Steam or just place the shortcut into this main folder. If you want, you can now delete the desktop shortcut from the desktop. Now all you need to do is search for the game again in the Start menu search bar, and it should appear in the list of results. You could now right-click on it and choose Pin to Start. If there's no app icon showing or it's a blank white icon, then click the card or follow the link in the description for my method on how to fix that. You'll need to do that step before pasting the shortcut into the Start menu folder. That's how to fix Steam game not showing in the search results on your PC in Windows 10 or 11. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now. You might find these helpful too.